Watch the videos when you can give them your full attention. Just notice what you see. Don't try to make anything happen, just observe. Notice how your mind engages with what you see. Maybe you have thoughts. Maybe you have emotions. Maybe you have sensations that you notice in the body. Just notice them and let them go. Don't engage with them. Don't analyze them. Don't follow any stories that emerge. Just come back to the video. If your mind wanders off, don't get angry with yourself. That's what minds do. It's totally normal. Just come back to observing. And if you prefer just to watch, relax, and just enjoy the beauty of the natural world, that's okay too. Just enjoy. Watch the video as many times as you can. This is training through repetition. Whenever you have time, practice again. There's a new video every week. So you won't run out of videos for your mindfulness training. And you can go back and re-watch them again. You might respond differently each time. If so, just notice that. Things evolve. Watch how the mind moves. You train to observe how your mind moves. Once you're aware of where the mind moves at any time. Identify when the mind is being helpful and when it's not. Gradually, you learn to direct your mind. That's how to develop a helpful mind that works for you.